Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, in the previous video we have done till question number 12 from exercise 60, and in this video I am going to solve the questions from question number 13. So question number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I will be solving these questions, and out of which I will be skipping some of the questions that will be your homework. You have to do those questions in your maths homework copy, because maths is all about practice. If you are not practicing on your own, you will not be able to understand anything. Okay students, so first of all I am writing the question on the board, then I will be solving it for you. And there was a query from one of the students to explain question number 25 of previous exercise. I will be explaining that query at the end of the video, so kindly wait for that. Now, as per the rule of multiplication of a monomial by a monomial, this 3p square will be multiplied by both the terms. So 3 2s are 6, it will be 6p to the power of 4, 3 3s are 9, plus minus minus, and p square and q square. Again q square plus 2p square and q square, because q square is multiplied to 2p square. Now minus 3q to the power of 4, because q to the power of 2 and q to the power of 2 will become q to the power of 4. Now we have to solve the like terms. Solving the like terms and collecting them together, minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. So it will be minus 7p square plus q square, sorry, minus 7p square q square minus 3q to the power of 4. I hope you must have understood how I have done this question. Now moving on to the next question, that is question number 14. Let's begin without wasting time. So students, question number 14 is, within bracket 2x square minus 5y square, bracket closed, x square plus 3y square. Now this 2x square will be multiplied by both the terms. So 2x square multiplied by x square will be 2x to the power of 4, plus 2 3s are 6, so 6x square y square, minus 5y square multiplied by x square will be minus 5x square y square, plus minus, so minus 5 3s are 15, so 15y to the power of 4. Now again 6 minus 5 is 1, and since 6 is greater than 5, so there will be a positive sign. So the last step will be 2x to the power of 4 plus x square y square minus 15y to the power of 4. I hope you must have understood students how I have done this question. Now question number 15 is your homework. You have to do it on your own in your maths homework copy. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 16. Question number 16 is also quite similar to question number 15, so I am leaving this question also. Moving on to question number 17. Question number 17 is x to the power of 4 plus 1 upon x to the power of 4 multiplied by x plus 1 upon x. Now when this x to the power of 4 will be multiplied by the first term, that is x, we are going to get x to the power of 5. Okay. Now this x to the power of 4 when multiplied by 1 upon x, it will be x to the power of 4 upon x, and since this x will be cancelled from here, because in division the powers are subtracted, that means 4 minus 1, it can be written like this. Okay, so now it will be x to the power of 3. I am showing you how I have solved this. x4 multiplied by 1 upon x, and since it is x to the power of 4, if I am cancelling 1x from here, 1x will be cancelled from here, then it will become x to the power of 3, because in division the powers are subtracted. Okay, moving on to the next step, 1 upon x4 multiplied by x, so it will be like this, x upon x to the power of 4. Again this x will be cancelled, so in the denominator it will be 1 upon x to the power of 3. Earlier it was 1 upon x to the power of 4, but because of this 1x is cancelled, so x to the power of 3 is remaining. Now this 1 upon x to the power of 4 multiplied by this, we have got this. Now this 1 upon x to the power of 4 will be multiplied by 1 upon x. So it will be 1 upon x to the power of 5. I hope you must have understood how I have done this question. Now in the same way you have to do next question, that is question number 18. Since all are based on the multiplication of monomial, so it's not necessary to solve each and every question. If you have some query or problem in any question, I will be solving it for you. You can comment down that question number in the comment section. Okay. Now I am going to solve a question which is different from this question. Question number 19. Since there are 3 terms here, so I am going to solve this question. Question number 19. The questions which I am leaving are your homework. 2x plus 3y minus 5 within bracket x plus y. Again this is a trinomial multiplied by a monomial. How will you proceed? 2x will be multiplied by x also and then y also. In the same way 3y will be multiplied by x also and then y also. In the same way 5 will be multiplied by x and then y. Not 5 minus 5 will be multiplied. So now how will we proceed? 2x multiplied by x, it will be 2x square. 2x multiplied by y, 2xy. 3y multiplied by x, so 3xy minus, sorry not minus, plus 3y multiplied by y, it will be 3y square. Now minus 5 multiplied by x, minus 5x, minus 5 multiplied by y will be minus 5y. Now what you have to do? Collecting all the like terms together and adding. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So it will be 2x square plus 5xy plus 3y square minus 5x minus 5y. Okay students, this is the final answer. I hope you must have understood. Now in the same way question number 20 also can be done. So if you want, I am going to solve that question. I am solving question number 20 also for you because it is x minus y in the bracket. So this is a little bit different question from the previous one. Question number 20, right? So question number 20, 3x plus 2y minus 4 within bracket x minus y. Now 3x will be multiplied by x also and then minus y. So 3x multiplied by x, 3x square minus 3xy because it is negative plus 2xy minus 2y square because it is negative. Now minus 4x minus minus plus, so plus 4y. Now solving this part, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 because sign of the greatest number will be taken. So 3x square minus xy. If I am simply writing xy means it is minus 1 only. If there is no coefficient provided before a variable, then by default we have to consider it as 1. Now minus 2y square minus 4x plus 4y. Okay, I hope you must have understood how I have done this question, students. So we have completed till question number 20. Now question number 21 is also similar, so I am leaving that question. Question number 22. 23 is also 22 is also having no power in the second algebraic expression, so I am leaving this question also. Moving on to question number 23 because it is x to the power of 2. The questions which I am leaving are your homework. You have to do it on your own because your exams are about to start. So you have to practice a lot because mathematics is all about practice, and if you are not practicing, you are not going to get anything. And yes, the format of the paper will be 20 marks multiple choice question, and filling the blanks and true false also will be there, and some long questions also will be given to you which you have to solve on your own, जो आप खुद से solve करके send करेंगे. Now how you have to send and how you have to solve, like on a paper, like that, every information will be given to you before the exam, so don't worry about that. Okay students, so now 23, 9x square minus x plus 15 will be multiplied by x square minus 3, right? Now 9x square multiplied by x square will be 9x to the power of 4. 9x square multiplied by minus 3. So 9 3s are 27. 27x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3. Minus minus plus. So plus 3x plus 15x square minus 45, because 15 3s are 45. Now we have to collect all the like terms together. Minus 27x square plus 15 are like terms. So when you are going to solve them, plus minus minus, sign of the greatest number. So here it will be 9x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 minus 12x square. Why it is minus 12x square? Because minus 27 is having a negative sign, and this is the greatest number. Okay, and I have arranged the algebraic expression according to the decreasing order of their powers. 4, 3, 2, then there will be 1 and then 0. Okay, I hope you must have understood how I have done this question also, students. Question number 23. In the same way 24 will be done. Let me solve 24. I will be leaving 25 and 26 as homework. Okay, question number 25 and 26 will be homework. I am solving question number 24. So x square plus xy plus y square bracket close multiplied by x minus y. X square multiplied by x cube minus x square y plus x square y minus xy square plus y square x minus y square. I have multiplied one term one by one to both the numbers, both the variables. So x square multiplied by x cube, x square multiplied by minus y minus x square y, xy multiplied by x is equals to x square y, xy multiplied by minus y minus xy square, y square multiplied by x, y square x, y square multiplied by minus y will be y to the power of 3. Okay, now let's cancel the terms if it is possible to cancel the terms. My x square y minus plus x y square minus plus. So what is remaining? X cube minus y cube is remaining in this question. So I hope you must have understood this question also. Now 25 and 26 is your homework. In the next video we will be solving the questions that are based on simplification. Now I am going to resolve the query of the students. So if you do not have query in question number 25, then you can close the video, and if you want to understand the question, then please watch the video. Okay, 25 is a square b within bracket a minus b square plus ab square within bracket 4ab minus 2a square minus a cube b 1 minus 2b. This is question number 25. Now I am going to explain it to you. A square b will be multiplied by both the terms given in the bracket. So it will be a cube b minus a square b cube plus, now ab square multiplied by 4ab. So 4a square and then b to the power of 3. Then minus sign is there. So minus 2 a to the power of 3 b to the power of 2. Why it is a to the power of 3? Because a to the power of 2 and a to the power of 1. Now moving on to this, a cube b minus minus will be plus. So plus 2a cube b square. Now we have to cancel the terms if it is possible to cancel them or collect the like terms together. So a cube b, this is positive a cube b and this is a negative a cube b. So just cancel it. Now a square b cube. A square b cube minus a square b cube plus 4a square b cube. So 4 minus 1, because if there is no coefficient given, by default we have to consider 1 as the coefficient. So 4 minus 1 is 3, and since 4 is the greatest number having positive sign, so here what will be remaining? 3a square b cube. Now a cube b square. We have to solve this. This is minus 2a cube b square, and this is plus a cube 2a cube b square. This also will be cancelled. So the final answer will be 3a square b cube. I hope you must have understood beta. If there is still any problem, any difficulty, you can comment down your queries in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.